Hey guys, this is a quick look at the Veto Pro Pack MC bag. The reason I chose this bag was partly because the limited size, it would limit how many tools I could throw in there and limit the weight overall. I have this set up kind of as a family and friends handyman bag. Has my favorite tools in it for going around helping out my mom or my friends or family, whether here or out of state. I can throw this easily on the floorboard of the back seat of a car or in the hatch area or in a trunk, and doesn't roll around and has 75% of what I will need for most of the little DIY jobs around a house. So um, I'll just give you a quick look around. It's got a nice hard bottom that is a good 2.5, 3 inches deep. Keeps it fine if you set it in water. It doesn't matter. It's not going to hurt anything. I love that about this. It's got little pockets up front on either side. It's got basically just two different sides to it. I have them labeled by adding some different color paracord to the zippers. So on one side, I'll just show you a quick look, just to give you a sense of what it'll hold. I have some pouches with some hardware and fasteners in there, work light, bunch of picks, punches, cutting tools, pry bars, marking, level, stud finder, saw handle, utility knife, trim square, gloves, multimeter with leads, flashlight, headlamp. So that's one side of this guy. I have my safety glasses up here and a tape measure and a magnet attached there. The other side has my pliers and screwdrivers, other ratchets and whatnot. So pliers, wire cutters, wire strippers, needle nose, flush cuts, different sets of pliers down here, some sockets, screwdrivers, adjustable wrench, vice grip, hammer, bit extensions, flex head socket, flex head or swivel head, 1/4 inch socket wrench, another large full size flex head 1/4 inch socket wrench. Probably overkill. Have a little right angle bit adapter, drill driver adapter, and a set of bits in the railer holder. So little O-light O-clip on the front. The bag also comes with a really solid thick webbing strap that I have no concerns about ever breaking or wearing down. And how I normally use this, I keep my Milwaukee installation driver on the side on that lower loop, and it doesn't hit the ground. It's just the right height for that. So that is my quick kit that I use for carrying around, and this Veto is the perfect vessel for all of this stuff. The handle is super comfortable. The webbing is all rock solid. It's just built like a tank, and I only look forward to this bag getting more and more worn in with time and use.